If you're chasing a client for payment right now, this video ends that. Here are 5 AI tools that'll save you time and help you get paid faster. No tech experience needed. Freelancing means you're the whole company. The work, the invoices, the follow-ups, the awkward payment reminders. These 5 tools take the heaviest parts off your plate. 4 of them are genuinely free. One costs about $16 a month. I'll tell you which one and why it can still be worth it. One honest note before we start. No tool guarantees you clients or income, and anything AI drafts for you gets your eyes before it goes out. Proposals, emails, and especially contracts. Have those checked properly before you rely on them. That's not fear talk. It's just how professionals protect their work. All right, tip 1. Tip 1. Proposals and follow-ups on autopilot. The tool is HoneyBook. Fair warning first. This is the paid one, about $16 a month. Here's what you get for it. After a client call, it drafts the proposal from your notes. It attaches the right contract, the same one every time. No digging through old folders for the latest version. And if the client goes quiet, it follows up for you. Politely, automatically. Think about the last lead you lost because you forgot to follow up. One saved project can cover a year of it. You still review everything before it sends, but you stop being the reason a deal stalls. Tip 2. Get paid on time. The tool is Zoho Invoice, completely free. It makes clean, professional invoices in minutes. Your logo, your rates, done. Then it does the part you hate. It reminds the client for you, politely, until it's paid. No more writing that awkward third reminder yourself. No more wondering if you should wait another week. You can see who's paid and who's late at a glance. One simple page, one look, and you know exactly where your money is. Set it up once. Send your next invoice from it. Your money arrives without you chasing it. Tip 3. Stop scribbling notes on calls. The tool is Otter. The free plan is plenty to start. It joins your call and writes everything down, live. Then it gives you a short summary, decisions, action points, who said what. You just listen, like a person, not a court reporter. After the call, the notes are already done, and you can search them anytime. That thing the client said in March? 10 seconds to find. Same day setup. Connect it to your next client call. Then be fully present in it. Your client will notice. Tip 4. Research a client fast. The tool is Perplexity, free to use. Before a call, ask it a plain question. What's happening in this client's industry right now? You get a clear answer with sources you can check. Not guesses. Not old news. What's actually happening this month? 5 minutes of reading. Then you walk into the call speaking their language. Clients feel the difference immediately. The freelancer who did the homework earns the trust. And trust is what wins the project. Tip 5. Draft the thinking work. Use Claude or ChatGPT. Free tiers on both. This one is for the hard parts. The proposal story that explains why you. The tricky email to a difficult client. The first draft of contract language. Ask for a draft, then make it yours. Change what doesn't sound like you. Cut what you'd never say. Keep your voice in charge. And remember the rule from the start. Contracts get proper review before you rely on them. The AI gives you a strong first draft. You bring the judgment. That's the whole partnership. So that's 5. Proposals on autopilot. Invoices that chase themselves. Notes that write themselves. Research in minutes. And drafts for the hard thinking. 4 free, 1 paid, and honest about it. Pick one and set it up today. The free ones take minutes. If this was useful, subscribing genuinely helps me make more of these. And drop a comment. Tell me which tip you want the full step-by-step on. Now, go send that invoice. You've earned it.